Hey everyone, I am here with a new subscription box review. This one is Cari Bento, and it is for foods from the Caribbean. So I wanted to go ahead and open this one up. I've never actually got this box before. Bringing the Caribbean home. So this is all authentic food from the Caribbean. So let's see what we have here. We've got, Jamaican ginger instant tea. Just add hot water. Oh, I bet that'd be good for a bellyache. Man, this looks like coffee. Oh no, coffee. Okay, look at this. Mountain Peak, Jamaica, roasted and ground coffee. Double cup. There's 2 of those. Nice. This is a little plate. Jamaica. This is adorable. That's cute. Then we've got Season Up Jerk powdered seasoning, which is vegetarian. Pimentos. Some more of that seasoning, same one. And this looks like a drink mix, almost like, sort of like a Kool-Aid. Okay, so this one is Fruit Punch. It's Turbo Plus. And then this one is Apple Cherry. Oh, cool. So you could make these with a pitcher. Then we've got tamarind balls. Very neat. Then we obviously have some hot sauce here. Ooh, habanero. Ooh, that's gonna be hot. We got caramel crunch popcorn. That looks pretty good. So now we're getting to the snacks. Plantain chips, pepper sweet. And then plantain chips, lightly salted. And then we've got some little snackies in here too. Shirley chocolate biscuits. And then we've got Shirley coconut biscuits. So this is everything that came in the box. If you really like authentic Jamaican food, maybe you're from Jamaica and you live elsewhere, or you just really like the food, I would definitely suggest this box. It's not just snacks. There's obviously some little things in here that, like the pimentos, and then these right here, the tamarind balls. Honestly, I don't even know what those are because I'm not from that area, but these would be awesome authentic foods to be able to check out, and like the coffee and everything. So if you guys really love the Caribbean food, I highly suggest that you guys check it out.